This is our pet turtle, Frank. He's crazy active. Maxie loves him. I don't know, he's like planning an escape route or something. Oh. Hey, Max. Who's your good boy? Man, he's just moving. He's not stopping. Hey, Frankie. What's going on? Yeah, you better run. Hey, Frank. You want some food? This is what we give Frank. Clearly, he can't reach the pot of the plant, so we have to tear off some leaves and give it to him. Oh, let's give some to Frank. Hey, Frank. Want some leaves? He usually won't do it if I give it to him. Nature at its finest. Here you go, Frank. Here's another. Ooh. He really likes it. Oh! He just tucked in. He tucked in so fast. He really likes these leaves. He can't grab it. Okay, there he goes. Sweet. Go, Frank. Eat that leaf like you mean it. Oh, he's done. Maxie wants to get a piece of some Frank, but we ain't gonna let him. Because he's a Max, you know? Yeah, Max. Can't get some of this, Frank. He's too pro for you. Oh, he's eating some hay, I think. Nope. He just wanted to walk on it. He's moving all the time. I mean, like, most active turtle you will ever see. This is his little home. And there's the plants that... Excuse me. Here are the plants that we feed him. Those are just for decorations. And so is that. But yeah, this is what we feed him. And here's his little house. He'll usually hide in the back corner. Hold on. I usually hide right there. In that area. And then he'll slide out. So that's Frank's home. Yeah, I'm invading on your privacy. I'm sorry. He's looking at me funny. So sorry, Frank. You giving me a silent treatment? Stinking allergies. He's walking away from me. You think I care? It's over, Frank. Look at him go. He just won't stop moving, man. Won't stop moving, man. He's so flippin' active. Oh, he's coming this way. Is he gonna eat my toes? No, he's going after the Max. Turtle versus dog. Who's gonna win? Seems the dog's using a stare down tactic. He's... Oh. he's intimidating. I think he's walking away. No. He's gonna face his fears. He's got... No, wait. Man, Max is staring him down like a pro. Oh, he ran away. Intimidation was too much from the dog. I guess dog wins. Oh, wait. No, is he going back for more? You going back for more, Max? He's walking away from you. He's trying to escape. He ain't got nothing, man. Apparently, desert turtles, which is what he is, are climbers and diggers at the same time, and it's pretty pro. So what up, Frank? Just don't eat my toes. Please? Oh, he's coming back for more. He's like, yeah, bring it, boy. I think we believe that Frank is the one that hurt Max's back right leg. Probably nipped at it or something. So I guess that means Turtle won for Turtle versus Dog. You never know. We don't have any solid evidence proof. So he's not going to get over that fence. I'm sorry, Frank, but your dream, it's not able to be accomplished. And he's coming this way. Turtles are so awesome, man. Okay, it's been a while. He's still staring down Max. He just went over there and back, and oh wow, now he's going next to my chair. Now I think he's chilling. No, he just. Oh my gosh, Max! I'm gonna jump the fence. Okay. Yeah, that's how it's done. More like stepped over it, but that's still jumping. Just at a different rate. Dude, he's faster than he was before. He's trying to get somewhere. Trying to get to nowhere. And he is just like, excuse me, active. Man. I mean, look at him. He's still going. He hasn't stopped moving ever since. He's in a little ball now. Max is in a ball. And hello, Frank. Hello. He's camera shy, apparently. Well, I guess he doesn't want to be filmed anymore. We'll leave him at that.